Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to react to some expensive car crashes. This video is actually very expensive. So if you are a car enthusiast and you don't like crashing cars, expensive one though, so I think I'm not recommending this video to you. But if you want to come along the fun of this video, so then you can continue watching it. And today's video has been provided, I would give the credit to Crash Comps. I spelled it right. So there would be link in the description and just go check his channel out. He makes all these videos. So I'm just reacting to his video, all the hard work that is done in this video, just collecting them together for a single video is done by him. So there would be a link in the description. Go there, check him out. If you like it, definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe my channel if you like any video. So yes, let's start with this video and let's do this. So let's see the millions and trillions of dollars. There is no a $1 trillion car, I don't know. So let's see now the expensive car getting crashed, and let's see it, and let's start. And tell me if I'm the only one using a mouse with a mobile, so comment that. So let's start with this video. And I'm sorry, my mouse is a little bit buggy. Okay, nice Lamborghini. Okay, what? Okay, so I think the guy was not happy with the car, so he actually breaks the glass, broke the glass, whatever. I hope his insurance claims it, because he's definitely going to the jail after that if it doesn't happen. Yeah, some people are really crazy, and the supercar owners should also be careful because it can be really expensive for them. So let's move on. Wait a second, do I have to beep that? How many times did... I don't know. Because of this I am going to get copyrights. Oh, okay, let's go. It is always there with these expensive cars. They are so low to the ground that they are definitely not made for streets, but they scrape very much. I don't know. It is expensive. Just a little scrape can be thousands of dollars. Let's move on. Oh. Lamborghini Gallardo. Today is Lamborghini days, I think. No voice. Oh. Okay, the car actually has a big back, so it cannot pass in between those cars. So that's why it crashed, I guess. And this Nissan GTR is definitely not doing good. So in the last video where I did donuts in my video, so if you have not seen that, check it out. So I told you this is only made for games. Don't try this in real life. This is not made for real life. If you are not a millionaire, then don't try it, because it is going to be expensive for a ticket, for your tires, for the engine, and of course you. And if you crash, I guess the insurance company doesn't claim it because you have to. Insurance means you have to keep the car in nice condition, not do donuts in it. No insurance would give you money for that. So let's move on. Okay. See, I told you that. Don't try this. Nobody listens to me. Huh. No, he's going to get a hard time in claiming the insurance if this video goes viral to his insurance agent, hopefully. Not sure, I don't know. Oh, a Ferrari 458 Spider. What's gonna happen with this one? Oh! The guy in this car actually has a Ferrari strap. I don't know. If I can just go back, please. I don't know. Okay. The car actually crashed. It was hard. So let's move on.
Madonna! Oddio, mamma, fermati! Mamma, va indietro, porca miseria, mamma, va indietro!
Mamma, va in grito. I actually don't know which language is this, but it is cool. Vanghitro, Vanghitro, oh my god, the car actually crashed. I'm sorry. Let's start.
Va indietro,
Okay.
va indietro, mamma, sprizziamo il soccorso. Vado, ho ripreso la scena.
It is actually very dangerous to drive these cars on a wet day. So, I don't know.
Mio Dio.
Okay, so we are in New York City. A guy having a 458 again. It's not a Spider, I guess. Yes. So the policeman is actually coming in front of the car so that he doesn't drive it, but the dude doesn't want to know that he is continuing driving. Nice. Okay. He's not stopping. Oh my god. Come on out. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Throwing the rich kid out of the car like anything. Don't do this. Be respectful to policeman, soldier, doctor, because they are doing for our country. So we should have respect against them. So let's continue. And he just snapped him out of the car. That was cool. Impressive job by the inspector. And you can literally see his leg here. You can see it's here. Okay. From a Ferrari to down in the ground. Nice story. Huh? Okay. Is this a Ferrari? Yes, it is. I think he's just...
Guess you're not driving the Ferrari.
No!
Jesus Christ.
Checks.
That's not good, okay.
No, I just have to beep everything. Kids, don't use these words. Oh my god. Why in the world? I don't understand that. Let's move on.
Pay for that now.
Oh! A Lamborghini Aventador. Let's see what is going to happen. I guess nothing with this one. Oh, a Corvette. a Porsche, a Ferrari, oh, a Spider one, a Mercedes, a Porsche again. Oh, this is the actually in the Fast and the Furious, if I'm not wrong. I'm not serious about Fast and Furious. Sorry, forgive me. Nom, 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 nom. That was bad because people were standing there and the car went over the curb. So that actually means something bad. I don't know. Okay, a Lamborghini Aventador again. Stop! Stop now! Stop! Stop! What? You actually have to take a driving skill test before you buy a car, whether it is a supercar or it's a normal car. You have to take some lessons, man. That bumper right there could be like $15,000. That's a lot actually. That was bad. That was really bad. Ooh. Oh, the scissor doors. And you can see this. Okay. Gallardo again. Is it crash or it is going to crash? Okay, I think it is stranded in between of the road. That's sometimes embarrassing because you have a so expensive car and it makes you stranded. That was really not a crash. Oh, two Corvettes. Okay, they are just going to race. Typical Corvette thing to do. Wow. Okay. So here he crashes and takes the other one with him. So he's like, hey buddy, you're not going alone. You are coming with me. So that's the case here. So moving on. Okay, a Ferrari and a GTR. Oh my god. So public streets are not made for racing. So if you want to race, there are racing strips you can race on. Just pay some money and just go there. You have so expensive car. How can you race on a public street? I don't understand that. I don't know. Okay. Okay, he actually crashes into another car. You can see right here. And I guess the Ferrari guy actually went off. He didn't stop. And these both cars are done now. And so that was it. So, that was amazing. Let's stop the recording right over here. So guys, that was it for this video. So if you want me to react more of videos like whatever, so make sure to give the like, and make sure to subscribe to Crash Comms for giving me this wonderful video to react. So thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next one, and at 5 likes I'll upload another reaction video. So if you enjoyed it, then like it. I'm making like goals so that I get motivated, and the viewers actually, if they like, they are going to press the like button and subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's end this video right over here. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll meet you in the next one. And tell me if you liked the face cam now, and hopefully it is going to be in my all videos. I'll try my best because it takes a lot of time in editing. So, and thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.